Namaste Sarvebhyah. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Google Docs. Google Docs is a platform to create, edit and share a document in an effective way. I mean effective in the sense of the advanced feature available in this product of Google. Anyone can work on different types of documents like Word, Excel, drawing, presentation and forms as well. It is a subproduct of Google Drive and all the works done in this platform will be saved automatically in your Google Drive. You can work with others simultaneously on the same document. Is it sounds interesting? Let us explore this in detail. First of all, we will look at the About section briefly. This URL will take you to the About section. There are two types of Google Docs. One is personal and business. For all the academic purpose, the personal account will be more than enough. So there are thousands of templates available for different varieties of documents like resume, report, formal letter, project proposal, etc. You can take any template and create your own document. These documents can be accessed anywhere and anytime, which means you can use it through your mobile phone, your laptop, your tablet or any device which has an internet connection. You can share this document with anyone and you can work together on the same document at the same time. And for better collaboration, there is a feature called chat and another feature is comment, which will help you to work collaboratively in an effective way. Don't need to worry about saving this particular document. This, as I told you, this whatever you work, it will be automatically saved in the Google Drive and it is compatible with all the Microsoft products, so no need to worry about the format as well. And there is a feature called Explore, by which if you want some Google result or if you want to search a particular thing in Google, you can do it and use it in your document without leaving that particular work. There is an add-on option also by which you can add third-party softwares and make your work more simple. Let's get into Google Docs. So you need a Google account for it. If you have, you can directly come to this particular page. I have already logged in, so I'm directly on this main page. You can select the particular document type which you want to work on, and by this template gallery you can access to thousands of templates available freely, and you can take any template and start working on it. And if you have already working on a particular document, you can select those document and continue the work which you are doing, or you can start a new thing by clicking on blank. So this is the main interface when you click a blank account, when you are starting from the scratch, from the beginning. Okay, so there are many features like undo, redo, print and fonts, font size, bold, italics, underline and left align options. These are all you are familiar with. Even numbered list, bullet list and other things you are familiar with. I'm not going in detail about these features, but whichever the unique features of this Google Docs, I'm going to explain. So first you have to, what we do normally when we create a Word document, we start typing. Whatever the content we want to type, we start typing, but it is better to save it and start working on it. Or to save where we have to save? It is automatically saved in my drive, which means Google Drive. As we discussed earlier, it will be automatically saved. Whatever you do, it will be saved in your Google Drive. So that is the unique feature of it. Let's give a name, title for this particular document, which will help you to find out later. I typed Sanskrit and computers. This particular thing says that it is already saved in the Google Drive. There is a pen symbol here which shows which particular mode you are in. There are 3 different modes. One is editing, suggesting and viewing mode. Editing means you can edit a particular document without any disturbance. You can directly change or modify the particular document. There is a suggesting options which will suggest you. I mean, it won't whatever the work you do. For example, if I type Google Docs, it will be saved there, and it as a suggestion, not as a main document. So if you don't want to disturb the main content, and you want to add some new features, you can use this particular suggestion option and modify the particular changes. You can later you can access to it, and whether accepting or rejecting this particular suggestion can be done. Another option is there, which is viewing option, where you can't do anything. If I type anything, I can't do any typing, or I can't suggest anything. So it will be done only in the case of editing or suggesting. Why I am explaining this particular feature? Because you can share when you are sharing with others. As we told you, we can share this with anyone and start working on this. Now let's assume I want to share this particular document with Dr. Parag. So I have his email ID. I just typed his email ID and I selected him, and here I can make him as an editor or a commenter or just a viewer. You can, for this particular feature, we need to know about those 3 modes. We can request him. Now I need him as an editor. So dear sir, I need your help in this document. Thank you. This it will notify Dr. Parag, and it will help me to remind him and make him work on this particular document. If we click on send button, it will be sent to him, and he will be the collaborator of this particular document, and he can also start working on it. So another feature, as we as we discussed earlier, this explore option. If we click on this explore button, now I want to add an image of anything, maybe a cow. Sorry. And I want to add this particular image into this particular document. I have added it. So I want to make it a bigger one, so I made it big, or maybe want to cut it. I can shrink it or edit it. Whatever I want to do, I can do from this particular explore option. It is directly connecting with Google search engine and giving the result from that without closing the main work. So I can access to Google Calendar, Google Keep and Google Tasks, which help me to, if we remember some particular task, we can note down those tasks to do it later, or if we have a point or if we want to make a note of something and share it with others, we can use this particular note feature as well. If we want to mark our calendar or if you want to check our calendar, we can do that without disturbing the main work. Another important features is in the tools section. It gives you the spelling and grammar help, and other things are there in in the Microsoft Word also. There is this voice typing feature will help you to do the typing in an effective way. See, when you start this feature, and you can define the particular language also, which particular language you want to type. Even you can use the Hindi as well. मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? अहम पाठशालां गच्छामि. Like this, you can use this voice typing and keep on, you can just speak and it will automatically type the content which you want to write. So you no need to keep on typing all these things. This is very informative one. And in this add-on section, as I told you, if you click on get add-ons, if you are familiar with many third-party users, you can select from thousands of add-ons and add it to your particular documents, Google Docs, and make your document looks in an effective way. So this is it. If you want to open a new document from a template or a spreadsheet or a presentation or a drawing, you can do it from here. Or if you want to open a particular document, or if you want to upload it from your computer, that also can be done. Or if you want to open a particular document which you were working on earlier, that can also be done through this particular platform. And you, at the end of your work, you can download it in a different formats. Like you can download it as a Microsoft Word document in docs format, or in the PDF, RTF, and many other formats as well. So you can get the document details and other things, and you can use this particular language option will enable you to type in your own languages, any other languages as well. So this is it. See, you can see here save to die. Whatever changes I have made, it will automatically save. It will be saved in Google Drive. So hope this particular video helps you in understanding or exploring Google Docs. Thank you.